Mga kwentuhan na dapat mong malaman.
Kasi magpapatulong, o sige, bigyan mo ako, walang in return. Sinong tutulong sa mga taong yun na para maabot yung mga pangarap nila?
Tsaka pag gusto mo naman po kasi yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo siya maiisip na, na parang draining.
Kasi lahat posible. Lahat ng bagay is posible.
Do something that you love. Habang pagod na pagod ka, hindi ka give up kasi you love what you're doing.
Always remember po ang lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo. Everything that's happening to us
There's always a reason behind it. Bye!
Good evening, everybody! And it's a raining Monday. Bigla na naman po tayong inulan ng Monday na to. But I hope everybody is safe. But tonight, this is gonna be an exciting chikahan. It's all about beauty. Yan. Pagagandahin po tayo ng aking guest mamaya. But before we start our chikahan tonight, of course, lagi ko sinasabi, make it a habit every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. Of course, I start the week with the chikahan with Mommy Ray. And then every Wednesday, Up Top Download with Rian Aragon and Ryan Howe. And every Friday, that's Up Top Download na podcast. And every Friday, it's Coffee Chat with David. And make it a habit, 7 p.m. At ito po lahat mapapanood nyo sa aming Facebook page na Ignos Novos Artist Management, and same with our Instagram, Ignos Novos Artist Management. And please like, follow, and subscribe our TikTok account at ignosnovos.official. Plus, please also like, follow, and subscribe our mother company, First Son Production, with the Facebook and Instagram, First Son Production. And of course, our YouTube channel, First Son Creatives, where you can watch all our lives, our events, and our upcoming shows, First Son Creatives. Ayan. And of course, we just want to say thank you to all auditionists or na mga nag-audition sa amin, open audition, and sa lahat na natanggap namin for our mga theater shows. Maraming salamat, and dun sa mga naging natanggap yung bawat role, break a leg sa ating mga upcoming shows. Ayan, eto na. Kaya sinabi ko sa inyo, ang pag-uusapan natin tonight, it's all about beauty. Not only beauty outside, but also beauty inside. Please welcome my guest. She is the co-founder of Bio-Chural Organic PH and Mizoruto Clinic. Please welcome the famous po sa TikTok ang aking guest, Dr. Tomo Nomoto. Hi! Hello, Doc. Paano ba? Doktora o mami?
Okay lang. Kahit anong gusto
Kahit
mo.
ano. Kasi masanay ako tawagin si doktora ng mami.
Oo.
How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. Thank
Yeah.
you for having me here again. Thank
Yes.
you.
And of course, syempre, pag-uusapan natin tong mga products na nasa harapan natin. Nakikita nyo, ang dami naming products for tonight. Pero, mami, paano ba ito nagsimula?
Well,
When was this started? Paano ba to? Na-concept? Paano to? When to nagsimula?
actually, nag-start to like 2018 pa yata. It's more on product development pa.
Okay.
Kasi before, ang nasa isip ko, kailangan pag mag-develop tayo ng products, kailangan the product will speak for itself.
Okay.
Hindi ako familiar na dito sa Philippines na kailangan pabonggahan ng marketing.
Okay.
In that time, when I was developing the ingredients and the formulations of the product, I was too focused on formulating the best ingredients and formulations na talagang effective. So it started like 2018, tapos wala na kaming budget for marketing. Kasi ang napunta ang budget namin sa ingredients, na pa sa product formulations, kasi galing sa ibang bansa yung mga ingredients na ginagamit namin for our products because it's organic and natural and advanced yung formulations. So parang naubos yung budget. Wala kami pang marketing. We survived because the clients na who bought the products, sila yung parang endorser namin because referral. Parang dahil doon. So until now, dahil sa effectivity ng products, talagang yung mga clients na talaga namin, once they buy it, talagang repeat orders talaga. Kasi dito in the Philippines, when we started this, parang walang masyadong organic advanced formulations. Puro lang yung typical na not organic lang. Pero this one is organic with advanced formulations or skin technologies, which is perfect pag irritated with melasmas, skin problems, kahit sobrang sensitive ng skin mo na meron kang skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, or na-damage or na-irritate. Yun ang expertise talaga. The more na problematic yung skin mo, the more that kaya kang tulungan ni Bio-Chural Organics. So, Yun kasi I have a skin asthma and eczema. So, nahihirapan ako maghanap ng organic products before. Kaya hindi ganito kaganda yung skin ko when I was starting eh. Kasi wala akong products na ginagamit dahil wala pa ganitong klaseng product nung panahon na yun.
So, bali, ikaw talaga nagsimula nito.
Yes.
Okay. Bago pa nating i-dip ang conversation na to, mag-hi muna tayo dyan sa comment section dahil ang dami ko nang nakikita. Ang dami ko na po nakikita sa aming comment section. Yan. Of course, I wanna say good evening daw. Sabi ng bebe ko, hi, Be. Good evening. And si Joshua, magandang gabi po. Eunice, magandang gabi po. Arvin, also good evening, Mommy Ray. And si Carl, good evening po. Melody, good evening po. Napakahusay ni Miss Tomo, ang bait pa. O yan,
Thank
sabi ni
you.
Melody. And si Joanna, pa-shoutout po, Miss Bibit. Yan, pa-shoutout daw. Sabi ni Joanna. Ayan.
Hi.
And hello daw. And then si Rob Line, Doktora Tomorrow. Dr. Tomorrow. Yan.
Wow, Dr. Tomorrow.
Ikaw na daw si Doktora Tomorrow, sabi ni Rod Line, diba? Yan. Teka muna. So, naisip mo to 2018. Ikaw lang
Summer
mag-isa.
start. We're partner with my husband.
Okay.
Supportive talaga siya that
Supportive
time.
si Hans. So bali ikaw talaga nag-ayos ng mga ingredients. Eto muna ha, bago natin malaman, napag-aralan mo siya, paano mo to na-conceptualize lahat?
Kasi yes, it started with the passion talaga.
Mm.
Before, bata pa lang ako, gusto ko na talaga mag-mix-mix ng mga creams, toners,
Yeah.
body scrub. I started doing that. Dati fresh graduate pa lang ako. So my first work during the Christmas, namimigay ako ng mga ginawa kong sabon, ginawa kong body scrub, ginawa kong toner, and then lahat ng nabigyan ko, they want more. Tapos kasi since I have eczema and skin asthma, also my husband has eczema and skin asthma. So hirap na hirap kami sa products na ano ba yung best for us? Para maganda naman yung skin namin. The same time, nakokontrol yung skin conditions namin. So yan yung isa sa struggle and motivations namin to create a product that is for everyone. Hindi kasi walang pinipiling edad eh. Kahit anong age mo, kahit mga younger to older, pwedeng-pwede yung products. Kasi this is committed to be organic and natural and advanced yung formulations. So yun ang isa sa mga unique selling point talaga namin sa Mutual Organics.
Okay. Kasi nga honestly, nakita ko siya sa TikTok or sa Black. Sabi nila. Sa TikTok, diba? So, eto na, Mami, pag-usapan natin, what is your first product na nagawa? Na sabi mo, eto yung sellable. Ano yung first product nyo na nagawa?
Until now, ito po, hanggang ngayon, pinaka-first product is ito po, coffee.
Uy, totoo to, honest.
Ito talaga first baby ni Mutual Organics na until now, hindi ko pa siya inaano kasi sobrang ang ganda ng formulations nito. I'm telling you, this is for me the best facial wash na pwede rin pang body scrub. It's made of real coffee. Parang talagang na yung kapeng-kape. Yung meron siyang real coffee granules na talagang binabad ng ilang buwan para yung extraction ng kape. Kaya yung mataas ang caffeine level nito, pag nag-ano siya sa skin mo, meron talagang brightening and tightening of pores.
Yes.
Isa to sa baby ni Mutual and until now, I'm so proud of this. Kasi,
Okay. Eto na, because of the coffee, tell me if I'm wrong, Kasi I use the coffee granule. Nung pag nag-brood ako, and then I use the coffee granule, and then I scrub it in my body and my
Yes.
face. And then after that, siguro sa face ko, nilive ko ng mga 2 to 3 minutes eh. Hindi mararamdaman mo yung parang nagta-tighten, no?
Oo.
And then sa skin ko, ini-scrub ko siya sa the whole body ko before ako mag-shower.
Yes.
And then, ginagamit ko yung sabon ni
Oo.
Doktora. So, meron pala kayong ganito.
Yes, that inspired me. Yung inspiration po niyan is that when I was in college, humihingi ako ng coffee granules sa coffee shop.
Yeah.
Tulad mo, scrub ko rin siya sa katawan ko,
Yes.
tapos sa face ko.
Yes.
Pero this is advanced formulations na. Mas maliit yung particles niya. So, mas deeper yung penetration niya. But it's made of real coffee talaga. Kaya may kita mo sa bottom, may macadamian coffee granules pa ang ginamit.
Baka naman inumin ko na to.
Kaya pag naamoy mo siya, kapeng-kape talaga siya.
Okay. because of the coffee, yan, yung mga nandyan natin. Anong use ng coffee sa skin? Bakit natin ginagamit yung coffee granule natin? We do it scrub.
Because of the caffeine. Diba pag ang too much caffeine kasi when you drink it, it's not good kasi too much.
Yeah.
Pero when you use it to your skin, it becomes antioxidant, it tightens your pores, and it brightens your skin. You just have to extract the best caffeine. Like yan dyan sa kape na yan. Kaya mas maganda ang formulation and advanced yan compared sa regular coffee granules na scrub mo lang siya sa mukha. Yan talaga, it's advanced formulations na to penetrate talaga on your skin. Kaya pag babad mo siya ng ilang minuto, parang gawin mo siyang coffee mask bago mo balawan, and then unti-unti mo mapapansin may banat, tapos brightening talaga. Lalo na pag wala ka ng masyadong dead skin. One of our bestseller until now when it comes to that.
Kasi natatawa sila sa akin kasi yung brewed coffee talaga, ini-scrub ko siya. Tapos sinasabi niya, paano ginawa mo? Kasi maganda to yung coffee for the skin.
Yes.
So, eto pala, meron na sila nito.
Yes.
Oh my God, I love. And then after this, dito na nag-start, and then you grew up your family. So this is now the family of
Hindi
You
pa kompleto
Natural.
to.
Okay. So, yung mga nandyan, I know you want to know, paano namin malalaman? Kasi, kung yung skin namin, it's oily, dry, or what, and then how we will know which product is good for our skin.
Yes, kasi alam nyo, that's one of our uniqueness of our brand is that we offer free online skincare consultation,
Yeah.
free skin monitoring. We will monitor your skin progress each month, and then we customize skincare routine based on your skin problems, lifestyle, and yung skin problems mo. Kaya mataas ang success rate talaga ng mga clients namin because it's supervised talaga na hindi sayang ang pera mo, hindi sayang oras mo, hindi sayang ang effort mo. Kaya dumami yung product line, David, because each product has its own expertise na talagang suitable sa ganitong problema. Like, for example, melasma, or for acne, or for acne scars. Yung ibang mga clients or patients namin, combination, like may acne scars na, tapos may melasma pa, or may
tapos,
acne na.
tapos may anti-aging pa.
Yes.
Oh, so how is it?
So we do a customized skincare routine talaga based on sa skin goal niya. Kung gusto niya na, ay gusto ko mawala melasma ko or yung acne ko, tapos gusto ko mag-younger looking, we can do all of it. Kasi yung mga products that we created, we make sure that it's compatible with each other. Para kung kunwari 3 serums ang gamitin mo, 5 or 4 or may cream ka pa, it's all compatible with your skin and sa isa't isa, so they would work together as a team para maganda makuha mo yung gusto mo, ma-achieve mo yung skin goal mo. So that is one of our uniqueness also because product compatibility is so important because kahit gaano kaganda yung isang product mo pero hindi siya compatible sa isang product na gagamitin mo, magiging battleground lang yung skin mo. Ang ending, magkakaroon ka ng irritations or kaya hindi makikita yung full potential ng product because it's not compatible. So that is one of our advantage is that we really scrutinize and make sure that it's compatible with each other.
So like this one, this one is it's 4-in-1. I think, no, tama, Doktora, no? This is 4-in-1 soap. This 4-in-1 soap, can you explain this to us? Can we mix and match this
Yes.
soap? Okay. Eto.
Actually, in the Philippines, we are the first brand to create this kind of soaps. So, 4-in-1 kasi merong isang soap that is expert in whitening.
Yeah.
Meron isang soap that is expert in anti-aging.
Yeah.
Meron naman soap expert in moisturizing and healing. And there is one soap that is expert in gentle exfoliation. And you can mix match. Kunwari, ngayong week or ngayong day gusto mo focus on on exfoliation and whitening, you can mix match the two soaps. Babad mo ng ilang minuto yung isang soap, then rinse off, then babad mo and then in the morning, iba naman ang gusto mong peg. Or kaya after few days, nag-dry skin ka. And then we have a moisturizing soap kasi minsan nagbabago ang skin ng tao dahil sa stress, environmental stressors. So whatever is the skin conditions or skin status of your skin, meron kang soap talaga na pwede mong gamitin talaga. And kaya siya pinaghiwalay kasi there are some clients who ask me, doktor, mo pwede ba one soap for all?
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi pwede. Kasi pag gusto mong mag-exfoliate, dapat ang gamitin mong sabon, walang masyadong moisturization. Kasi mahihirapan ka magbalat kung masyadong oily or moisturize yung sabon or yung skin mo. So, ang ginawa namin, whatever is your goal, you can achieve kasi separated siya. Kung nga rin exfoliation lang, or exfoliation soap lang, or gusto mo mag-moisturize kasi gusto mo mag-hydrate, sunod mo yung hydrating soap para meron silang focus talaga on the benefits. That's why we created 4 different kinds of expert soaps in one set. So, yan yung ano.
Kasi di ba hindi lang naman sabon yata ang pwede eh. Ang dami
Yes.
nila pong products. They have sunscreen.
Yes.
I know, they have sunscreen, they have serum. Parang they have everything that you need to beautify your skin. Yeah.
Yes.
So, anong difference ng sunscreen nyo sa ibang sunscreen?
Of course, I'm so proud of this kasi I have skin asthma and eczema. I cannot use any kind of sunscreen that has harmful chemicals, especially harmful UV filters. Hindi alam ng mga consumers that you should use a sunscreen that doesn't contain any harmful UV filters. Kasi yung mga harmful UV filters na yan, it would penetrate on your skin and would be absorbed by your body, punta sa bloodstream mo. Then doon ka nagkakaroon ng problem or health issues in the future. Which hindi naman din siguro alam ng all brands na yon or other manufacturer. But crucial kasi yung whatever you put to your skin would be absorbed by your body. So sa sunscreen, wala pong harmful UV filters kasi may mga pasyente din kami or clients that are cancer patient, nagda-dialysis, so hindi sila pwede na mga ganon. Kasi there are ingredients that are carcinogenic also or can cause cancer or health issues in the problem on the future. So kami, we eliminate those.
Okay.
Para in the future, hindi ka magkakaroon ng health issues. Kahit ilang taon mo gamitin yung mga products namin. So our sunscreen doesn't contain any harmful UV filters. Kahit pumunta ka sa ibang bansa, kasi in other countries, there are, lalo na sa mga beach nila, bawal ang mag-sunscreen ka kasi masisira ang coral reef nila. Here po, hindi siya nakaka-damage ng coral reef. So imagine, kung ang ibang bansa is very particular sila sa UV filters ng sunscreen mo, because it harms their coral reef. Pero ikaw, hindi ka nag-worry sa skin mo na ginagamit mo siya. Diba? So, kami, I'm so proud of the products. Kaya kahit pagod ako with the patient and everything, nagla-live ako because I want to educate also. And I'm so proud with my recommendation. Pwede niyo akong habulin pag hindi totoo sinasabi ko.
Yes. Okay. Yung mga nandyan sa comment section, if you have any skin problem or you have any question for Doktora, you can just post on your comment section. Kasi free consultation nga tayo ngayon, di ba? Ang ganda. And then sabi mo, you have skin asthma and
Eczema.
Anong gumaling sa'yo doon, aside from this cough?
The Baobab Skin Therapy Restore Cream.
What?
Yung Baobab, wala yata dito, hindi na-display.
Oo.
Baobab.
Pag meron dyan, kasi alam ko marami dyan yung mga kasi here in the Philippines, we have so many problems sa skin eh. Na parang ang common skin problem sa Philippines is eczema and skin asthma.
Psoriasis also.
Psoriasis. So, ano yung gumaling sa'yo?
Ako talaga, before I used steroids cream kasi yun ang recommended sa akin ng derma when I was young. Kasi I have eczema when I was 5 years old.
Okay.
Ang nangyayari sa steroids, tumataas kasi ang dosage. Hindi rin maganda sa katawan. And kapag nag-stop ka, dumadami sila. So, we created a Baobab Skin Therapy Restore Cream for all those problematic skin like mga skin conditions like eczema, skin asthma. Pwede ito sa mga babies kasi wala siyang steroids. Kagat ng lamok, kagat ng insects, at saka yung mga irritations, diaper rash, napkin rash. Basta anything na may sudden irritations, pwede niya. Kasi Baobab Skin Therapy Restore Cream. So kung ano yung mga skin conditions, it really helps talaga. Even sa mga scalp na may kate-kate, all-in-one siya, para siyang first aid kit. Like just in case may napaso or may na-irritate or may kate-kate, pwede siya maging first aid kit niya talaga.
Ang dami. I'm so amazed with the product. Honest, I'm so amazed. Sabi nga nila, if the product is organic and the product is very effective, how cost is this? Mahal ba siya? Affordable ba siya ng ordinary people?
Yes. Affordable po siya. Kasi hindi naman siya in compare with other organic brands, especially in the other countries, na talagang thousands talaga siya.
Yeah.
Hindi naman siya thousands. Like, for example, our Baobab, it's only like mga 300 plus lang yata, or mga ganon. And it's malaki na to kasi konti lang naman kailangan mo for specific treatment lang, di
Yeah,
ba?
yeah.
So, hindi reasonable yung kanyang price kasi yung mga benefits niya and ingredients niya ay talagang makikita mo talaga yung effective. Kaysa naman, it's the investment. May ROI kang makukuha
Okay.
once that you invest.
Speaking of investment, alam ko ang laki ng investment mo dito, financially. But sa mga products mong ganito, paano siya nag-invest sa'yo in helping other people emotionally?
Kasi alam nyo, this is one of the pinagmamalaki ko and it motivates me to create more amazing organic products because I receive a lot of reviews and feedbacks na thank you po kasi bumalik yung aking confidence. Dati meron din, I remember this one, isa siya na naging models namin. Actually, yung first batch namin, ang mga models namin are real users. Talagang nawala yung melasma, nag-fade, nawala yung acne, gumanda talaga ang skin because I wanted na to tell everyone na ito totoo talaga. Hindi to paid content creators, paid models. This is real clients, real user, nag-transform ang skin. So kung sila nagawa nila, kayang-kaya din sa inyo. Kasi there are some na nawawala na ng pag-asa, nasi-stress na dahil sa itsura. Because sa generation natin ngayon, sa digital natin, it affects the mental health eh. Kasi syempre digital na na-judge ka na, mag-post ka lang, ma-judge ka na. Diba? So the products really help to restore their self-confidence, yung stress nila, at saka yung ano nila, yung depression, yung anxiety nila. Kasi ang taas ng anxiety level ngayon because marami ka nang nakikita na nakaka-stress na rin diba?
Exactly.
Sa digital or sa social media, manood ka lang, stress ka na. So, ngayon, it really helps talaga a lot of clients.
Parang they boost confidence, no?
Yes.
Honestly, sa atin, hindi lang sa babae eh. Sa babae kasi mas lalo ngayon sa panahon na ngayon, ang dami ng bubuli, no? Pagpangit yung skin mo, pagpangit yung hair mo. So this one really helps even though hindi siya ganun ka-expensive. It's very affordable. Kung tatanungin niyo ako, kasi kung sinabi nga ni doktora, yung isang baby niya, it's only like cost 300, diba? Hindi ganun kamahal. Yung mga may question dyan, you can drop up your question mamaya. Pero doktora, I heard because of this, may naisip ka eh. Meron kang nagawa na to help other women out there na parang tutulungan mo sila para sa kalang skincare or routine. You now, kasi nakita ko doon sa post mo kanina, SEC-approved ka na, diba?
Yes.
So, not only this product, but yung sabi mo nga, new beginning mo. Pag-usapan natin tong new beginning mo to. Ano ba tong bago mong new beginning? O bago na, new pa, diba? Ano tong bagong, parang bago sa buhay mo ngayon na exciting to?
Yeah, kaya sobrang busy talaga because we started na to create a pageant about talagang advocacy, about character, about purpose. It's a different kind of pageant kasi it's focused more on woman empowerment talaga. That's why
Ito ba yan? Yan
Yes.
nakikita namin, yung
Yes, Empress of the Universe.
Wow, okay. Sige, ano yung Empress of the Universe?
Empress of the Universe, it might be too idealistic or some people would say, ay, daydreaming ka, gano'n. But I would like to try kasi I really want to boost the confidence of the women, empower them, na regardless kahit kung pangarap mo talaga sumali sa pageant pero nahiya ka sa skin mo dahil may melasma ka or acne, don't you worry kasi all throughout the pageant, we will sponsor your skincare. And then we have a free clinic treatments from Mizuruto.
Ayan.
Yes.
So once nag-register ka at natanggap ka, you're gonna have free of those. Parang free products, free consultation and treatment for you. And then you have a free pasarela. And then, ano pa yung isang free
Personality training.
personality training. And, eto yung pinakamaganda sa lahat. Free membership. Or
Yes.
free registration if you are mapipili ka as one of the candidates of this
Yes,
product.
kasi alam niyo
Of
po,
this pageant.
yung sa ano namin, yung sa mga ganyan, kasi 'di ba women empowerment 'di ba? Gusto mong mag-join pero nahiya ka sa skin mo or hindi ka confident maglakad. Pero gusto mo siya. Kasi syempre connecting din with mga other women, na woman of substance na yan, kasi mga misis na yan, marami na yung napatunayan sa society and their advocacy. We want to highlight their advocacies. We wanted to help them more on their advocacies on their respective areas, while also self-growth, improving themselves. As the pageant progress, gumaganda ang skin mo, nagkakaroon ka ng self-confidence on how you walk, or kaya yung personality development mo, nagkakaroon ka ng self-growth sa pageant pa lang before the coronation. So, yun ang gusto ko talagang woman empowerment, advocacies, purpose leadership, para we can help them na magkaroon ng magandang self-growth, and also iba pa rin ang feeling pag may bagong self-growth sa sarili mo eh.
So, kunyari, for example, ang dami nanonood dyan ng mga mommies, single mom, or mga single pa talaga. Ano ba ang criteria nyo para if in case we want to apply a part of your one of your candidates, ano ba dapat?
Yung mga qualifications are like, for example, even you're married, you're separated with your kids, mostly mga misis talaga, separated, single mother, or basta mayroon ka pong advocacies that you wanted also to help, with the help of the organization, mag-spread awareness. We will help you with that. And then, of course, syempre yung age is 30 up to 50 years old. Mga simple lang po yung mga qualifications. But we are more kasi focused on advocacies.
Okay. So, dapat ba yung mga sasali, meron silang skin problem?
Kahit meron or wala, akong bahala.
Okay, sige. At dahil dyan, ikaw bahala. Ako munang bahala magbasa ng comment section. Ayan, may nakita ko. Ryan, good evening po. Tapos sabi ni Ernie Amante Arazo, highly recommended brand at super bait ng owner. Ay, maraming salamat. And of course, Carlo is here. Hi, anak. Nice, may free consultation and customization. Ay, tapos sabi ni RJ, magandang gabi po. And then si Jaen, 101, ganda talaga. Tapos sabi ni Joshua, wow, ang ganda. Health and environmental friendly po ang mga products. Yes.
Thank you.
'Di ba? So, ganun pala. Ang criteria nyo is, yun yung different nyo sa ibang pageant.
Yes, marami kaming difference with, for me, I think, marami kaming difference. Kasi, although I respect that other pageant is, mayroong financial investment, I respect that. But for us, for me, ito believe and values ko lang ha. Sana wala pong magbabash. Kasi syempre we have different values, we have different, ako kasi I have values and integrity. That is so important. Yan, ilalaban ko ng patayan.
Okay.
Hindi ko kayang lunukin na basta i-tolerate ko lang para matapos na. Hindi ko kaya yan. But once that I learn na hindi siya sa values ko, I'll be out. Ganon. So for this, although I respect that some pageants need financial investment, financial resources, but it doesn't need to be outweigh yung talagang purpose of the pageant or purpose of the competition, yung advocacies, yung leadership, or yung women empowerment talaga, or yung ng mga, I want to have a fair and ideal pageant na mag-e-enjoy sila, matututo sila ng marami.
Yeah.
And they would be like a lifetime na memories na because of Empress of the Universe, I've learned this, I grow, mas napaganda ko pa yung advocacies ko. It's like core memory.
Yeah.
Na it's all good things talaga. Na ganito ang naging impact sa'yo. And ikaw, inspired ka kahit tapos na yung pageant, gusto mo pa rin tuloy-tuloy na tulungan ang advocacy mo kasi we're gonna support you all throughout kasi you're part of us. So that's the kind of pageant that I really want. It's like it would have a meaningful impact talaga.
Not only beauty and brains, but this one, beauty with a purpose.
Yes.
Ay, ang ganda. Ngayon ko lang naisip, beauty with a purpose.
Yes.
Kasi yun yung mas maganda eh. Kasi not every pageant, makikita mo na nagfo-focus sila dun sa advocacy. Kasi minsan after the pageant, tapos na rin yung advocacy mo eh. Hindi na natutulungan yung taong or yung mga advocacy na gusto mo talaga. 'Di ba? Which is very, very nice. Kaya pala, nice ito itong pageant mo na Empress.
Thank you.
Which is na-impress ako.
Thank you po.
Pero, Doktora, ang dami mong ginagawa eh. Nagla-live ka pa.
Yes.
Sa isang araw, gaano katagal ka nagla-live?
Ang kaya ko lang talagang i-commit is like 1 or 2 hours.
In a day.
Not in the day. It's like twice or thrice a week. Depende sa availability ng oras. Because sometimes I'm trying to be consistent with Friday, Saturday, or sometimes Sunday kung kaya kong bumawi, or Wednesday. Kasi yun ang talagang inilalaan ko talaga para maging consistent yung mga viewers ko dahil alam nila anong oras ako nagla-live. Usually mga 9 p.m. or 9:30 or during the payday sale or special sale na mga ganon. Tinatry ko rin para maka-avail sila ng mga sale na mga social media platforms. So, ganon, I'm trying my best to do live para education din. May mga online questions sila na masagot ko na kaagad with their skin problems.
Alam mo, ang tsaga-tsaga po ni Doktora. Honest, I've watched one or two or ilang beses ko siya napanood na the first time I've watched her, hindi pa nga siya agad, meron kasi mga nasa comment section, saan po mabibili yung product, saan po ganito. Sinasabi niya, teka po, patapusin niyo muna po ako i-explain yung isang product before kayo bumili. Tama? Tama?
Yes! Ang tagal ko. Hindi naman kasi I want to be educating.
Yeah.
Ayoko kasing bumili sila tapos magsayang sila ng pera.
Yes. That was the first time na watch ko. Sabi ko, ang galing naman niya na parang hindi niya sinasabi na, ibili niyo na to kasi bagay to sa inyo. No. And then the second time na na-watch ko siya, ang ginagawa niya, nandun na may mga products, tapos pag may nag-question na, Doktora, kasi I have melasma and also my skin are para siyang dry, tapos ganito. At gusto ko rin matanggal yung isa-isa na niya ini-explain. And then sinasabi niya, Doktora, tama ba po sa akin, bibiling ko yung basket number 4 for my skin kasi yung skin ko, ay hindi, sasabihin mo, wag yan. Ito yung biling mong, yung basket number 6 or basket number ganito. Sobrang tsaga mo,
Yes.
no? Why?
Kaya napapagod ako pag nagla-live ako.
Yeah.
Kasi isang client, ini-explain ko talaga because I value their time.
Yeah.
I respect their money kasi hindi naman madaling kumita.
Yeah.
And of course, I want to make sure na pag nag-invest sila dito, may improvement talaga sa skin. Kasi sabi ko nga sa mga clients ko, if you check out, pag dumating yung products, please message me para I can guide you on your routine. At the same time, ma-check ko na rin yung skin mo. Kahit once a month lang tayo mag-update ka sa akin para just to monitor your skin progress because I really want to see you achieve your goal.
Okay.
Yung sincerity ko talaga, na gusto ko talagang gumanda ka, regardless kung kilala kita or hindi. As long as you trust me na when I say na maganda to, kaya I already established kaya integrity is so important to me.
Yeah, I know.
Because my word, pag sinabi ko, I am totoo yun.
Okay.
Totoo yun.
Kunyari, Doktora, yan, sinabi mo nga, ngayon na bumili ako ng isang product. And then this product is like, sinabi mo, gagabayan mo ako for a month. And then, nag-lessen na siya. Should I change the product or should I stick with that product?
At least, give it 2 to 3 months, depende sa skin progress.
Okay.
Kasi once after, usually I say mga 3 months, depende sa products. Minsan 1 month, minsan most is 3 months to use para makita mo yung full effect. And then after 3 months, we change routine. Kasi natanggal na yung mga ibang problema sa skin mo. And now your other goal is yung mga natitira pa. Or nadadagdagan yung goal mo once na na-eliminate mo yung other skin problems mo. Like for example, the melasma. Yung ibang clients ko, nawala yung melasma nila. Pero ang goal naman nila, younger looking naman. So more on anti-aging routine naman. Yun ang advantage when you like once a month, nag-update ka para I can see the progress of your skin. And then the next routine, you know na. So that is for free.
Okay.
So sabi ko sa kanila, kahit sobrang busy ako, sineseryoso ko yan. Hindi yan parang, pwede na yan para lang maka-libre lang ganyan. No, kahit libre yan, I give my 100% effort on that. So, dapat ikaw, dahil sarili mo yan, yung also 100%, hindi ka pwedeng half-hearted lang na ganyan. Diba? Kasi who would give you free consultation ng ganyan, diba? Wala. Sa all the brands or all the live na sa social media, there's no one will give you that time to check on your skin, to give you free advice, mga ganon. Only me and Virtual Organics and Mizuruto.
Okay. All your products is unisex.
Yes.
So unisex. Kung mapababae, mapalalaki,
Yes.
pwedeng gumamit nito.
Yes.
And then you're giving, meron bang naging insidente na, yung nga sabi mo, you guide them? Kasi nakita ko po talaga eh. Meron bang insidente na sinabi mo, eto yung bilin mo. Kasi sinabi mo, eto yung skin problem mo. And then when I got the product and I used it for a month, nothing happened. Nothing happened with my skin. Sasabihin ko, doktora, wala naman nangyari. Ganun pa din.
Yun na.
Meron ka na ba na-encounter na ganun?
Yes, kasi iba-iba ang clients.
So,
na.
paano mo na-handle?
There are clients kasi na nagmamadali.
Yeah.
There are clients also na hindi nila nakikita pero nararamdaman mo na nila. 1 month is just cleansing and adjusting stage. We have a different timeline. We have a different progress. Meron sa iba na wala pang 1 month may improvement na. Meron sa iba kailangan after a month pa or 2 months pa bago nila ma-appreciate. Sabi ko sa kanila, kaya nga sabi ko at least 3 months or more para makita yung full effect. And then kung may tanong kayo, you can message us para mabigyan kinang accurate or ng ano talaga answer sa concerns mo. Kasi there are clients kasi na ibang response ng skin nila dahil syempre edad. Iba na yung skin. Pag may edad ka, syempre, tignan mo yung melasma mo kung it's caused by your hormones na ba.
Aray.
Or kaya, syempre, yung melasma, yung lifestyle mo, kung lagi ka bang exposed sa araw, pero melasma ang problema mo, syempre, contradicting you with the skincare. Everything, it contributes kung bakit ganyan yung skin mo.
Okay. Speaking of that, doktora, kasi sabi mo nga, is melasma really caused by hormonal change or because of not proper skincare?
Ang melasma kasi, maraming causes yan.
Okay.
Ngayon, dati kasi ang cause ng melasma is hormones, edad mo, araw, UVA, UVB. Pero ngayon, because of the harsh ng skincare, na ibang ginagamit. Kasi I have a lot of patients, gumamit ng mga matatapang na products, nasunog ang mukha nila, nagkaroon sila ng develop ng melasma.
Yeah.
So yun, ngayon, marami ng causes na dagdagan pa yung mga maling desisyon sa buhay na gumamit ka ng products na sobrang tapang, ang ending, nasunog ang mukha mo, nag-irritate ang mukha mo dahil sa mga gadot. So we help them kahit ano yung history ng skin nila. That's the good
So
thing about
different
us.
product pa din yun.
Yes.
Dahil dyan, you're always consulting online eh. Meron ba tayong physical clinic? Baka gusto nila malaman, do you have a physical clinic?
Yes, we do have. It's an advanced holistic Japanese clinic.
Wow.
It's a Mizuruto. So we also have a brand from Mizuruto that is high dosage, clinical grade Mizuruto. So this one, Mizuruto, this is more on plant-based, pero matataas talaga ang dosage. Pang mga deep melasma, pang mga high dosage na talaga, na ginagamit ko rin sa clinic. So, pero,
ayan, Mizuruto Advanced Organic Skin Clinic Solution. Wow.
ito rin po si Mizuruto, yung products na under dito, it's very compatible with Butrol. So if you're using the skincare, kung nga ito, gumagamit ka ng skincare set ni Butrol Organics, the Stem Cell Advanced Rejuvenation Set, gusto mong isabay si Mizuruto, 6% tranexamic, pwede, compatible sila. Para sa mga deep melasma, marami tong serum si Mizuruto. Sample ko lang to pinapakita yung isa, pero marami. So we have a clinic also. Ang specialized ng clinic namin is more on problematic skin, anti-aging. Kasi naas mo kanina kung may slimming. Wala pa kami slimming.
Okay.
Ang focus talaga, ang expertise namin.
It's on the skin.
And the skin talaga. Kasi I have a lot of patients from different clinics and skincare brand na nawala na sila ng pag-asa. And they go to me. And then I assess their skin, do a treatment plan sa skin nila.
Yeah.
And then, syempre, ang ko lang is best combination talaga, the Mizuruto treatments with Butrol Skincare. It guarantees talaga the results. I'm so proud.
Wow.
Talaga.
Saan namin matatagpuan yung clinic mo yan, Doktor?
Dati po, yung clinic ko is in Quezon City. Tapos ngayon, naglilipat ako. I'm trying my best na maglipat sa Marikina. Kasi layo ko sa Quezon City.
Yeah.
I'm from Antipolo. So, i-announce ko na lang soon kung nakahanap na ako ng place in Marikina because I want na pag pumunta ako doon on time kasi nalilate na ako
sa
Quezon City.
Okay. At dahil dyan, ang daming comment section, natutuwa sila kasi very educational daw and everything. So, ayan si Nanay Jane. Nanay, maraming salamat. Sana mapuntahan ko siya ng Warrior Nanay. Yes, the Warrior Nanay is one of my, sinasabi ko na medyo natutulog, sumasali-sali na po ako dyan. Yan. So Warrior Nanay. Tapos, God bless po sa inyo, Doktora. And then, thank you, Nanay Jane, for sharing it to your group. And then, sabi nga ni Carlo, that's nice after talaga sa effectivity and educating people and not sa benta lang. Very sincere. Yes, sincere. Oh,
Thank
Kat
you.
is here. Kat, hello, Queens. Watching from Canada while I'm jet lagged. Ay, wala ka na pala dito? Can't wait to see you soon and get our Empress of the Universe started. Oo nga, Kat, be here. And Theo is here. Hi, Theo. Hi, Mami Ren. Hi, Theo. Ayan. Wala pala si Kat. Nasa Canada na ulit.
Yes.
Ayan.
Pero babalik siya.
Babalik siya. Ang dami po namin pagkwekwentuhan pa. So, if you have any question, we have a skin problem dyan, just drop up. Bago namin balikan kayo dyan, meron ho akong bagong segment.
Exciting!
At bago namin ulit pag-usapan itong ating mga skin product dyan,
Mhm.
kasi mamaya ako honest, off ka, magpapa-private consultation ako sa face natin. At dahil dyan, Doktora, I have a new segment. I have a new segment
Yay!
here in my Chikahan with Mommy Ray. My new segment is, ano ang headline chika mo?
Wow!
Ano ang headline chika mo? Ano ang headline chika mo? I have, like here, a newspaper. A newspaper siya. I have a 5 newspaper here. Ang Monday ko po, it's all about Monday memories. So it's all about your family or your past memories. Mga dating memory mo. Choose Nection, it's all about your family, your relative, your friends, colleagues, okay?
Mhm.
Wednesday, it's all about believe in Wednesday, your personal beliefs. All kinds your beliefs, diba? And then Thursday is thirsty Thursday, naughty. It's a naughty question.
Okay.
And then Friday, it's all, hey, Friday hustle. It's all about your career products and everything. And then inside this newspaper, make mga questions here.
Oh.
And then how I'm gonna give you the question by means of dice.
Yes.
By means of dice. So kung ano yung lumabas na number ng dice, yun ang magiging question mo. But for now, I'm gonna shuffle this 5 newspaper. And you will choose 2.
Okay.
And then, in this 2, yung mahahanap mong dalawa, every newspaper, 2 question each. Okay? So, you're gonna have a 4 surprise question coming from me. Okay. So, ayan. Choose. Okay.
Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo. Nasi-stimulate yung brain cells ko sa'yo.
Okay, 1. And then, 1 more.
Huwag ka titingin. I'll let fate decides my
Okay,
ano.
2. Okay. Ang napili ni Doktora is, tananananan, Monday Memories.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God, napili niya ang Thursday. So, we have a naughty question. Okay, mag-start muna tayo sa Monday Memories.
Okay.
Make it a dice, Doktora. Make it a dice. Okay. 4. 1 and 3. Your question number 4 is, dami was there someone on your side nung nagsisimula ka pa lang? Is there someone on your side nung nagsisimula ka pa lang? Or are you alone?
Nagsisimula in terms of...
Siguro, in terms of this.
Okay.
In terms of your products and everything, is there someone in your side na tumulong sa'yo to start with it or mag-isa ka lang?
I'm so fortunate because I have someone beside me when we are creating Mutual Organics. Kaya siguro naging success ng ganito or kahit na-withstand niya yung mga pandemic or crisis because I have someone na who's really supportive, my beloved hubby. Asukal de Papa.
Ay, swerte, may asukal de Papa.
Yeah, asukal de Papa, my hubby. For very supportive talaga. Siya talaga dati, wala akong pambayad ng, kwento ko lang, wala akong pambayad ng pang layout, pang sticker.
Yeah.
Wala rin akong pambayad ng delivery. Naging delivery driver din yan.
Super. At bihira yan.
Yes,
Not everybody having a someone on your side that will support you throughout, diba?
Yes,
Oh,
I'm so blessed.
swerte naman. Oh, one more.
One more. Oh my gosh.
Kasi ang dami ko nakita, may comment section na tayo doon na may question. Eh. Number 3, ang tipid naman ni Doktora.
Ulit.
Sige, ulit. Dice it. Hindi naman siya, sige, dice it. O, di ba? Nung sinabi ko, ang tipid niya. Naging number 10 tayo. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Number 10. Hi. Okay. Number 10 tayo. Okay, ito na lang. What's the darkest memory you willing to share tonight? What's the darkest memory you're willing to share tonight? Ay, ayoko
Is
na
it
magsalita.
recent ba?
Ay, hindi ko naman alam.
Recent? Darkest memory na gusto kong ibaon?
Yeah. Then you can
Risk
share.
that I can share? Well, siguro, na baka mabash ako or what eh.
Hindi, from your past, your childhood, or your ano na lang. Wala.
I don't have a really great childhood. Open naman ako because my mom is kung sino-sino yung different stepdad ko.
Yeah.
I have a stepsister, stepbrother, which I love
Yeah.
them. So I don't have madali ako na early yung yung maturity ko because I don't have a happy childhood.
Yeah.
But I'm so thankful from those experiences because I'd learned naging mas matapang ako.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga lang, I skipped the childhood. Na sana lahat ng bata, ma-experience nila a happy childhood.
No, which is now, because probably why you skip your childhood, now you're being a child. Sobrang bata looking talaga ni
Thank
Doktora.
you. Late bloomer ako.
Ay, diba? Sobrang bata. Kung makikita niyo siya. Eto na, nandito na tayo sa magandang newspaper. Thursday.
Oh my goodness.
Ayan na, dito na tayo.
Ay.
Ayan na. Ay, nahulog. Okay, one more. Okay, we have 5 and 2. Number 7. Ano kaya yung number 7 namin? Charan! Okay, eto. Guilty or not guilty? Nahati ang singit at kinamot ito patago in public. Ano ba naman tulong ka tanong ng mga... Okay. Guilty or not guilty? Nangate, yung singit mo, ikinamot mo ba daw siya in public o tinago na lang? Ano ba mga question yung mga ginawa niyo talaga? Guilty or not guilty?
Nangati yung singit ko. Singit is ito.
Yeah, the one in between your legs and your ano. Nangati siya. Did you scratch it in public or you just hide it? Nag-hide?
Not guilty. I don't dare.
Okay, that's good. Grabe yung mga question.
CR ako. Pupunta ako sa CR para
Ayan.
doon ko katihil.
Yeah.
Pero yung nasa
In public.
ka na may mga tao, paano yung naka-dress ako?
Yeah, exactly. So,
not guilty.
Not guilty daw siya. Okay, one more. Ang grabe ng mga naughty question nyo. Nakakatakot kayo. Okay. It's 6 and 1. Number 7. Okay, number 7. Okay, number 7. Ito talaga yung pumapatak sa number 7 mo eh. Okay. O, dito na lang tayo. Negotiable or not negotiable? Sexy or toned body, pero malakas umutot? Sexy ako. Sexy siya. Sexy siya, sobrang tone ng body nung guy. Pero lakas niya umutot. Is it negotiable or non-negotiable?
Negotiable siguro. Huwag na lang siya umutot sa harap ko. Sa iba na lang siguro. Pwede naman siya pumunta sa CR.
Yes.
Siya na lang. Pwede naman.
Okay, sige. Ayan na, guys. Thank you so much. Pero may question. I have a question at the comment section. I read it from... Dalawa yun eh. Angat. Okay, yun. Isa pa. Eto, si Joshua, sabi niya, I have eczema po. Lifetime skin problem na po ito. Or pwede po ba siyang mawala permanently?
Well, that's a good question. Same, I have eczema. Actually, wala pa siyang totally cure, but we can control it. Like for me, wala siya, hindi mo makikita yung eczema ko, pero pag nasistress na ako, nagbabago na yung environment, tsaka siya lumalabas. So we can control it. May times na wala siya, may times na meron, pero controllable siya. So it doesn't need to affect your confidence, your daily life activities. Kasi controllable talaga siya. With the right products, you can control your eczema. Kaya nga yung Baobab Skin Therapy Restore Cream, it created talaga for eczema. Lalagay mo siya sa umaga, hapon, gabi. Lalo na pag nagda-dry or kumakati na, perfect talaga to. And then we have also soaps for eczema. So if you have any further concerns, you can message us for free consultation, Mutual Organics PH.
Okay. So this one, there's a question here. Medyo ano lang, but sige, we will read it. Okay, are you a PRC licensed doctor? Do you have your product FBA approval? That's it. Okay.
Yes. I have FDA compliant tayo.
Oo,
And I'm
okay.
so happy that we are also ISO
Okay.
registered internationally. So, hindi lahat ng brands, lalo na yung mga local brands na may ISO, kasi it's
Yeah.
an international standard. So, it means that our products talaga nag-undergo talaga siya ng international standard. And I am a naturopathy doctor. It's like a holistic doctor. So, sa ibang bansa, I have license, but here in Philippines, wala pang PRC for naturopathy doctor or holistic doctor. So soon, kung meron, di ba?
Yeah, di ba?
Sana, gusto ko yan.
Yes, of course. Ay, doktora, ang
Yes.
bilis ng oras. But I'm giving you the floor to promote yung kailangan mong i-promote.
Yes.
Yung mga social media, your clinic, and also the upcoming pageant. You can promote it. Okay, I'm giving it to you.
Thank you, Mami Ray. Thank you everyone who's watching. And then if you have if you have any worries about your skin problems, kung melasma man yan, acne man yan, or kung ano man yan problema sa skin mo, at you gusto mong mag-transform, at gusto mong ma-boost yung confidence mo, bumalik yung confidence mo, please let it be known that there is always a solution for that. Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa. We are here to help you. You can message us for free online skincare consultation on all our social media, like in our Mutual Organics PH. You can message us and we will love to help you with your skin problems. Kahit ano pa yan, pag-usapan natin, hindi ko kayo tatantanan hanggat you are also committed that you really want to improve your skin. Kasi we're gonna give 100% of our effort talaga sa inyo. And of course, abangan nyo po, our Empress of the Universe would be launching this September. You can, if you are interested to join and be a candidate, maraming libre po yan, libreng skincare. All throughout the pageant, libre po ang skincare mo. Kaya kahit may melasma ka or acne ka, gusto mo mag-join, libre po yan, pagagandahin ka namin. And we have a free clinic treatments, Mizuruto also, all throughout the pageant. Pagdating mo sa coronation, bibiglain mo lahat ng mga tao na dating nang aalipusta sa'yo. Kita nila, iba ka na. Kasi even pasarela or personality training, that's for free. You would have a self-growth. At talaga, we assure you na mag-enjoy ka. So, open na po the search for the Empress of the Universe, Mrs. Empress of the Universe. You just visit the page ni Empress of the Universe for that. And then, also for Mizuruto Clinic, for those who want for magpa-clinic treatments, you can do advanced booking. Kasi this month, I think, I'm fully booked. And syempre, busy na rin ako maglipad sa Marikina. So most probably, I have a slot for August or September. You can do advanced booking in Mizuruto page. Yan. Thank you so much,
So
Mami Ray,
talagang
everyone.
sobrang hands-on ka sa clinic mo.
Opo.
Ikaw talaga ang humahawak per client or per patient, not client.
Yes, kasi assessment is so important. Pag
Okay.
mali ang assessment sa pasyente, sayang yung oras niya, punta niya. And most of our clients kasi are from provinces and OFW. So, pinupuntahan ka talaga. So, it should be that worthwhile yung pagpunta nila at may effect talaga.
Okay. So, ayan, pinost po namin lahat ng social media account na kailangan nyo ma-reach out si Doktora, especially those who are women who wants to have a beautiful skin and also join the pageant. You can see also their Facebook page, the Empress of the Universe Facebook page, para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga criteria. And then here in my show, I will announce when is yung kanilang parang kick-off. Ayan. Yan.
Yes,
Sige
yung
ha,
launching.
dito natin ipopromote yan. At ako naman po, sabi ko nga, make it a habit every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. Of course, I start the week with our live Chikahan with Mommy Ray. Every Wednesday, our podcast, Up Top Download, with Rian Aragon and Ryan House, si Riri and si Rai Rai. And then every Friday naman po, Coffee Chat with David. Lahat po to, Make It a Habit, 7 p.m. po sila, na you can watch in our Facebook page, Ignos Novos Artist Management. Same with our Instagram. And of course, also you have to like, follow, subscribe our TikTok account at ignosnovos.official. And also, our mother company, please like, follow, and subscribe our Facebook and Instagram, First Son Production. And of course, our YouTube channel, First Son Creatives, where you can watch our live, our upcoming events, and our theater show. And ako naman po, ang lagi ko nakakalimutan, please like, follow, and subscribe me in my social media account. My Facebook is Rachel Pulyon. My FB page is Mommy Ray 3. My IG is Mommy_Ray43. My TikTok and X is at Mommy Ray 3. Sabi nga po ni Doktora, having a beautiful skin will help you boost your confidence. Nandito siya para tulungan niya tayo, para pagandahin ang ating skin. Not only our skin outside, we will feel beautiful inside and outside. Yan po laging sinasabi sa atin ni Doktora at ako din na dapat alagaan natin ang ating mga sarili, ang ating skin. And then if we feel beautiful outside, mas lalong magiging maganda ang ating inside. At eto po ang inyong Mommy Ray. Lagi nagsasabi sa inyo, everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye! See you all next week, Monday. Be safe, everybody. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mga kwentuhan na dapat mong malaman.
Kasi magpapatulong, o sige, bigyan mo ako, walang in return. Sinong tutulong sa mga taong yun na para maabot yung mga pangarap nila?
Tsaka pag gusto mo naman po kasi yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo siya maiisip na, na parang draining.
Kasi lahat posible. Lahat ng bagay is posible.
Do something that you love. Habang pagod na pagod ka, hindi ka give up kasi you love what you're doing.
Always remember po ang lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo. Everything that's happening to us, there's always a reason behind it. Bye!